Welcome to today's video on a very important topic. Ta-da-ta! Are you taking care of yourself like you think you are? Answer is maybe not. Or maybe so. If you are, good job. Good job. Fist bump. All right. As we know around these parts at Ishita Gupta Media, most stories stem from personal experience. Y'all, I have to live it in order to learn, and I have to feel it and experience it in order to then share. Part of who I am in this world and try to be useful is distilling the things that I have learned in my own life, okay? This lesson has come back around multiple times, excuse the frizz, which is, am I taking care of myself as I should? So if you've been listening to my videos for a while, you know that the last couple years, 2016 till 2018, were hard. So hard. They were very hard, okay? Family stuff, trauma, grief. I'll share it with you when I'm ready, okay? But what has come from that is a real phase of healing myself and protecting myself and getting back to basics of what it means to feel good and be myself and create. It took me a lot of time. I would say it took me the full 2 years, to go through it. And now it's 6-7 months into the 2018. I'm still healing. I'm still going through it. And what I realized a few months ago, and I just recently had this conversation with a friend of mine, is that I wasn't taking care of myself like I thought I was. I was giving myself enough time to grieve and cry and rest and go through things, but I wasn't taking care of the basics that actually supported me. And this is what happens in life, is no one looks at me and says she's not confident, she doesn't have boundaries, she can't take care of herself. Everyone looks at me and thinks the exact opposite. And they're right. It is true that I have boundaries. It is true that I'm confident. It is true that I take care of myself. But if I, as an individual, looked at myself, I knew I wasn't doing things that supported me at the basic fundamental level. I take my self-care very seriously. But while I have been going through this, and when I was going through it, I let things slide. And it's no wonder I was starting to feel so much inertia. I was feeling so like I couldn't create. And I called one of my friends and I told her all of this. And I was like, I've just been crying 10 hours a day, 14 hours a day. I wake up, I cry, and I'm watching Netflix and I can't seem to get myself out of it. And I'm waking up at midnight and getting cupcakes. Y'all, you know me, I eat cupcakes, okay? It's a situation. That situation always has to be addressed. And so she's one of those friends that can really tell the truth. Thank God I have her. I love you, thank you for her. And she said, yeah, I'd be depressed too. I wouldn't be able to get myself out of it either if I was eating cupcakes every night and crying 10 hours a day and watching Netflix. And she always acknowledges she's not just the tough love type. She's actually the exact opposite. She really has held space and understands, has been super loving, which is why then when she told me this, it clicked and I said, you're right. I'm not doing the fundamental things that one needs to do to help themselves get out of this. I had stopped cooking for myself. I was drinking water. I was drinking enough water every day, but I was going to sleep at 2 in, and my body wakes me up at 7 a.m. every day for the last 20 years. It just does. I don't even need an alarm. It just every day wakes me up. So if I'm going to bed at 2, 5 hours, that ain't shit. That's nothing. And I need 7 hours. So I wasn't eating protein in the morning. I was skipping meals. And it was because I was going through all of this, but the fundamental basics of what I needed to do to support myself, I think I was waiting for something to happen, like some other bigger, worse thing to happen, or someone to come and save me, or just something to shake me up. I was waiting for this outside force. I'll do a separate video on getting yourself out of things instead of waiting. That'll be another video. But for this video, what clicked was, yes, you're right. I am not taking care of myself as I actually think I am. like I was resting, I was giving myself enough time to grieve, I was giving myself time to heal, but I wasn't also doing these other actionable, more disciplined and regimented things that I needed to do to heal, i.e. sleep enough, i.e. exercise enough. I mean, I was dancing, but I wasn't like getting my heart rate and doing some cardio. I wasn't cooking for myself. I was just constantly eating out. Like that responsibility I needed to check myself. So same thing is for you wherever you are right now. If you're feeling stuck, if you're feeling inertia in your life, I was feeling so much resistance to doing anything. I was feeling depressed. I was feeling sad. All of those things can be there, but check in with yourself as to, are you actually doing the things that you know nourish and support you? Outside of giving yourself that self-care on the level of rest and grieving and healing from something, are you just meeting your fundamentals? And I wasn't. So check in, to see if you are, okay? And that's really the basis of this video. This might be our shortest video yet, but that's all good, okay? The whole point is, if shit sucks for you right now, you might need to up the ante and kick it up a notch in your self-care department. And sometimes self-care looks like flexing the muscle of doing what is not easy, of doing what takes some effort, of doing the thing that makes you feel disciplined and responsible again for your life. Like, what am I going to do? I'm just going to wait around. Wait around for someone to come and make me feel better? No. Drink your greens. Drink your water, sleep early, exercise, do those things, and then see if things start to slowly shift, okay? Well, I can't talk anymore, so thank you for watching this. Can't make these if you don't watch them, so I really appreciate you being here. Like this video, please like it so more people can see it. Subscribe at the bottom and share it. You know the drill, guys. If you watch these, don't watch these videos alone. Why? If it's important enough for you to watch it and get some inspiration to help you, it's important enough for you to share it with someone else. Always pay it forward. Okay? Gotta go. See you later. Thanks for watching.